Hello, Chef here, and in this picture I've got a bulb of perfectly roasted garlic. You can see that. It's looking really, really good. If you want to know how to roast this, just subscribe and look through the chef's recipes. You're going to find a couple of videos on garlic, including roasting. This baby's beautiful. It's perfect. Each little clove is perfectly roasted and ready to squeeze out. You can just give it a little peel like this. See what I'm talking about. Yeah, there's one right there. Really, really good. Sometimes you get them out of here whole too. There's a near whole one. Okay. This is the stuff you're looking for right there. Yeah. Pear's looking good. Moving on to the next recipe. Okay, now I'm going to take this pear and I cut it into some slices like this. Alright, and I'm going to use each slice, remove the core like this. Each of these is going to be a small bite-sized appetizer. Okay, just like that. Along with a chocolate coin on each one. Okay, just like this. And we're going to put a sprinkle of vanilla sugar. Okay, touch of vanilla bean on each one, and just a few grains of sugar on each one. Okay. Last step, torch. Gonna melt that chocolate and brulee that sugar just a little bit. Repeating on each one. Okay, I think that looks pretty good. You tell me what you think. Leave a comment, like, share, subscribe. You know what I'm missing, right? Creme fraiche, creme brulee, ice cream. Yeah, all of those would be really good with this. A unique, different appetizer utilizing a ripe pear, chocolate and garlic. I hope you liked the video. Please leave a comment, subscribe, keep watching. Have a great day. Oh, I might